In this video, we are going to learn how to insert time and date into your document. So to add this, there is a very simple process. You need to click on insert option and then go to time and date. And you can see to insert time and date field, click the text box or table. So it is important to add a, sorry, let's delete this whole thing and delete it. And now let's use the time and date. So to use time and date, we need to draw the text box first where we want to add time and date. Let's say we want to add time and date into this text box, and let's go to insert again and then click on time and date. So here are some formats available, we can choose. So we can add this like Monday, Feb 17, 2020, or Feb 17, 2020, because now Feb 2020 is. And if you want to add time and date both, so if you can select this option. So this is the second month 17 and 2020, and time is 12:24 p.m. So you can also use only time, or you can use the hours, minutes, and seconds. Let's choose this format because date and time both are used in this. So let's select OK, and now time and date format is added. We can also change this time, like it is 12:25. So let's make it sorry, let's zoom little bit into it to work easier. So let's make it to 2:25, and you can also change this date and setting. So this is the way you can choose time and date into your uh, page. So let's make it, save it to page. So that's it for this video.